All right, what's going on YouTube? So this has been asked a lot on Facebook mainly Facebook, on the OBS Revolution page about the LED mod for your gauge cluster. And I mean, there's not really, I couldn't find a good video explaining this, how to do it. I mean, it's pretty simple, but it's still, it's easy to do it. At first, you might be iffy about it. So, I have another video on how to disconnect the speedometer off the cluster so you can pull it out. So once you get it out, I believe it's 7 of these screws, and they are a T15. You want to do those, or they also have a hex head on there, and it's a 5.5 millimeter. So you pull those off, and the clear glass comes off. And I was having, I really wasn't sure on how to pull the needles off so you can scrape the green off, so you can, change the color of it. I'm going with blue LED. Some people have done red, pink, purple. I mean, you get whatever color you want. So once you get your glass off, basically your gauges will be sitting inside like so. And I already pulled my needles off, and yeah, someone explained to me that it's easier to do with the fork. So let me go real quick. So basically, when your needle's like that, just pry it up with the fork. It comes off. It takes a little bit of pressure, but you're not gonna break it. I took a picture of mine so I can set my needles back to where they were at. I mean, it should work. And your light bulbs, you could access them through the back. And to scrape the green off, I'm using a knife. Some people say a razor blade or whatever. I'm just using my knife, and I'm putting a good amount of pressure on there. And I've already done my fuel, my oil pressure, and I mean, I put a pretty good amount of pressure on there, and the black did not scrape off. I read about somebody where their black peeled off or something. I mean, they must have really been going at it, but I mean, just a good amount of pressure and you'll get the green tint off of there. I mean, I've halfway done through here. Might have been out here for about 30 minutes or so. I mean, at first I was being pretty cautious, but I thought the black might peel off or something, but yeah, it does. I mean, I was going back and forth like this, and yeah, it's coming off. So hope this helps you out, and just to put it back, and on here, on the speedometer and the odometer, this one was held by 2 screws right here in the middle. Take those screws out, and it also had this little plate at the bottom that goes like this. So I'll pull those 2 screws out. This comes out. Then this one, mine has a tachometer on it. It kind of sits on top of right here on this side. So kind of pull that one out first, and this one's just come out. And you can pull those screws out. And also it has this little clip right here that goes on here. And this kind of held it on there. I don't know if you can see it, but it has 2 little, you kind of just squeeze it together. It's a little bit hard to do, but squeeze it on each side and you'll be able to get it out so you can pull this face off. And also on the reset for the trip odometer, I kind of just gripped it right here and pull it off, and this came off too. So yeah, just make sure you put all these back together. And this was the little peg that goes down here at the 0. I kind of just pulled that off too. All right, guys, hope this helps you out. And like I said, I couldn't really find another video really explaining it. My truck's a 91, but it should work from the 88 to 96 F Series.